So we had just gone to Poland, and we had been a couple times, and we went to the Krakow festival, and we came back to New York, and we were presenting up at Circle Lodge, which is, you know, the Workmen's Circle summer camp, specifically for adults. And so there are a lot of older adults there, and particularly at that time, there were quite a number of Yiddish-speaking survivors. And so we were talking about playing, you know, in Krakow at the festival, and a much older survivor started screaming at us in Yiddish, you know, like, how can you do that? You're dancing on the bones of our brethren, you know, and so there was like silence in the room, and finally, I think what I said, and sure as some variation of it is, look, there's no answer to what you just said. You know, I'm not going to argue with you. You know, it's like, how could I? I didn't experience what you experienced, and it's obviously a very complicated question. On the other hand, what I can say to you with full honesty is that I feel that in the main, you know, what's going on in terms of this interest and what's going on in terms of these festivals and things, it's a good thing. It's some kind of Tikkun Olam, you know, it's some kind of making the world a more whole place, it's some kind of healing that's going on. Yes, there are aspects that have to do with governments wanting Jewish tourists to come in, of course. That's part of it. There's no question there's commercialization, but let's not let that totally obscure the good things that are going on.